In this 20,000 square meter factory, after 15 precision processes, Meox solar PV containers are manufactured through 15 precise processing steps. Each step reflects our commitment to quality. Let me show you these today. A good product starts with a strong frame. We use German imported CNC laser cutting machines and fully automatic CNC bending machines to keep every right angle error within 0.5. This millimeter level and angle level precision ensures a solid and durable steel structure for the solar PV container. Every project has its own unique requirements. In Nak, Tibet, at an altitude of 4,500 meters, intense UV rays and temperature fluctuations cause standard PV containers to peel within 6 months. We customized thicker steel plates, nano anti-corrosion coatings, and smaller ventilation hole angles to resist sand and dust, extending service life to over 2 years. The grid-connected off-grid and off-grid modes are freely selected with a maximum combined module power of 235.2 kilowatts. In addition to the standard cabinet, we also offer customization options such as extra high cabinets and side doors. Whether it is sea clouds or desert heat, your requirements are the standard for our products.